You walk away from me. Still gonna see a man like I out eating what running or someone else needing the content for both. So how do we so this playing on the game? Just really the goal and we all like put the ball down.
Even though guys are focused on here is what
Ward Avenue, Kingston, Maypen, Punish Town, Harborview. To this reggae icon of respect, Joe Cocotti, we missing you. Alright. When I say, you say, when I say, you say, manners and manners with enough respect to the real reggae icon, great intellect. Appear number one song, Cocotti, make the man ya pour out the world palm private jet. One step, mission done come. So what time figure rest better you rest up in a Zion more than they are in a stress. And you reach me while you heal up merciless. I give him me number, tell him fi call me collect. Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaac, John Holt and the rest. One when them on their freestyle will hip hop, sure wreck it brand new. That song I me ya do, dedicate to Cocotti from the stereo Mars crew, Skengdan and Levi and Gary too, so everybody pass through. From Caledonia Road to Ward Avenue, Mobius Savlamar, Harborview, Seaview, to this reggae icon of respect, Joe Cocotti, we missing you. The short man from Clarinda, the great him gone to Holy Mount Zion. So we say, alright, alright. We not say you walking, but we still a listen. You shall remember when you used to show jam. The whole of Jamal Sports Club. Remember when you're the on stage and a cash in Jamal. Me see people like Earth, me see people like Sang in a age group, Cocotti have fun from baby we just born, niggle age all the one. And then him sing love song for all the
well, and I did search over the sea, and I could never find my soul there, you see. But all of a sudden, she had come over to me. So you know, come again. Sonia, why did you make me breathe? What she said when she remember all the life.
I don't feel like a job. I really need the help. I honestly need the help, like, seriously. I literally post a video this morning and people around me are tell me how much my favor Mara dog and this and that and one bag of things. I really need help for true, you know. But It's okay. People are gonna talk about me lay down with father and this and brother, me look pound and me say me willing to work. Me just need to start more like counseling, bro. Yo, just not understand no. But you see if you all who have things to say, you know bitter. You know bitter and you know smell bad, yo, cause you don't want people to literally feel like oh you don't feel yo. And I now go sit down and feel so cause I know so I don't feel good. I know me don't feel good. And I can't bear you, me work, you know. Me work. But me tell her, you see me need to have working clothes right now. I look at me look for help and people that tell me about how much. Me if do this and if do that and if go sell my body. But if I sell my body, me I go become a prostitute. If me if go teeth, you go hear this and that. I want me work. Me have a nursing certificate. Me work. Me work. I just want look for help to get a job, look for help to get myself back on track. Me now look the world, guys. That's all me ask from people. Bring me down for what reason I don't even know. But me left it to God, because when I tell you this, 1,000 may fall at thy side, but 10,000 at thy right hand, and it shall not come near me. So no matter what I do, God have my back, and no matter what the enemy send and what I say, Father God know. Father God know, Father God system need the help. I mean, I understand why people around me bring me down and why people from the media bring me down for what reason. So I not to talk, I not to come out and ask for help. I not to ask. I not to ask for no help, alright. So I just shut up and stuff, and then when you hear say, oh, I commit suicide, or you hear say, oh, me dead or something, I'm go mad or I'm go insane. Nobody cares. Everybody I live them life. My daughter lose her mother. Me. I don't understand. I just not understand, guys. Please, me ask. You see, if you don't have no good for say, just scroll past my page, please.
Good afternoon, most honorable Andrew Owners. My name is Shane Blake. I am living in a community called Sertown in St. Anne. I have reached out to you via Instagram, but I know that you probably don't read DMs. So hence why I'm making this video. I have 2 children. I'm a single mom of 2 sons, and I have an autistic child. However, due to him being sick, I have to always be leaving my work because I don't have the help with him, neither do I have any daycare that are willing to keep him. So I am asking for your assistance to finish our room, bathroom and kitchen so that we can have a place to call our home. You can reach out to me at 876-808-1534, and I would really appreciate it because I don't have the help. I have received groceries from Auntie Dana, and I am very grateful for it, and the plankers. So I am reaching out to you as our Prime Minister to please help me to finish our home. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing your response. And I would love for you to help with us autism mom to find schoolings that are affordable, and also daycares, if it's even to open a daycare that can facilitate these children so that the moms like myself can work and feel comfortable. The help is not here, and we cry out and nobody is hearing. So I hope you see this video and the bro got the new chips in and find me, because I know that when that side of you chips in, you will find anybody. So I hope that the bro got in you will find me. Thank you.